this video, we see how to classify the alcohols into primary, secondary and tertiary. Let us see the first one. CH3, CH2, this is a big compound. Here the functional group is OH. So this one comes under alcohol. Classify the alcohol. So you have to see only the OH group. See the OH attached carbon. This OH attached carbon has 4 groups. What are the 4 groups? One is OH, another one is H. This side one R group is present. Then this carbon is attached to another big group. So one H is present, 2 R groups are present and one OH is present. This is secondary alcohol. 1H, 2R, 1OH is secondary alcohol. You should not. Let us see the second compound. See, this is the OH attached carbon. This has 3 groups, C2H5 thrice. So 3 C2H5 groups are present and 1 OH. This one is considered as R group, ethyl group. So 3 R groups and 1 OH. 3 R groups are present attached to the carbon means it is a tertiary alcohol. Then next one, see this compound. Whatever may be the compound, you have to see. Well, sometimes the compound looks bigger, but you have to consider only the OH attached carbon. No need to worry about other carbon atoms. Okay. Here we have to consider only this carbon atom, because in this carbon atom only OH group is attached. See here, this OH attached carbon has 4 groups. What are the 4 groups? One is H, one is this R group, this one is another R group, another one H. 2 R groups, 1 H, 1 OH. That is a secondary alcohol. So this compound is a secondary alcohol. What about this compound? See, this compound is a bigger compound, but no need to worry about that. You have to consider only the OH attached carbon. This carbon has 1 R group, another R group, 1 OH, and this carbon has 1 H. It is not written here, but it means there is 1 H is present here. So you have to see 2 R groups, 1 H and 1 OH. So what type of alcohol it is? 2 R groups, 1 H, OH means it is a secondary alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. I hope above mentioned points are clear to you. So what about this compound? What type of alcohol group is present? Whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary, find it out. Which carbon you have to take? This one. Why? In this carbon only OH group is attached. Now, so you have to consider this carbon only. Here what are the groups present? Here C2H5 ethyl group, another C2H5 group, another ethyl group. Here one benzene ring is attached. Then OH. 3 R groups are present, 1 OH. So what is the alcohol? This one is a tertiary alcohol. So in this way you have to classify the alcohols into primary, whether it is primary or secondary or tertiary.